Hi everyone, my name is Rosa and I'm a Youth Services Librarian at the Dufferin Clark Public Library. I might look familiar to some of you as I run the Reading Buddies program at the branch. Part of what makes our Reading Buddies program so effective and so successful is that it makes reading fun for kids. One way in which it does this is that it lets kids practice their reading out loud, but it also lets them listen to their buddies read to them out loud. Being at home with your kids right now is a great time to read together in different ways that you may not have tried yet by using some of our free online resources that are provided through the Vaughan Public Library's website. One great resource that I want to share with you today is called Tumble Books Library. Tumble Books Library takes existing picture books, just like the ones that you'd find on the shelves at our library, and adds animation, sound, and narration to create electronic picture books. Tumble Books can be used through our library website with your library account or through an app which can be downloaded through the app section on our website. Here's what it looks like. Okay, so I'm starting off on the Vaughan Public Library's homepage. I've already signed into my own account with my library card number and 4-digit PIN. I'm going to go select the Books and Resources tab and select the Downloads and Digital from the drop-down menu. I'm going to make sure that I'm on the eBooks and eAudiobooks tab and scroll on down till I find the Tumble Book Library. So you'll notice that there's 3 different versions of Tumble Books. Tumble Book Library eBooks, which offers picture books that come alive, as well as graphic novels for beginning readers. Tumble Book Cloud eBooks, which offers titles for middle school and high school aged kids. And Tumble Book Cloud Junior eBooks, which provides titles for children in grades 3 to 8. So I'm going to select Tumble Book Library eBooks to be brought to that library. I'm on the Tumble Books Library main page. By the tabs over here, you see the different options of content that they offer. You can also see the many different types of books that can be read through Tumble Books Library by the selected picks that they have put on their website. I want to read a storybook and I want to see what's new. So I'm going to select Storybooks and I'm going to look under the New Books heading. I'm going to select Bailey just to show you what a book profile would look like. So every book has a book description and book details, including reading level Lexile. You can choose to read the storybook or have it read to you. And because the book is always on the screen, along with the audio narration, it provides a perfect read-along activity for your child. One quick last feature I want to point out is the Puzzles and Games tab. There are some books in the Tumble Book collection that have accompanying games or puzzles, which reinforce the concepts of the book. Books with this feature will clearly have it listed in the book profile, such as this, as games. You'll have the ability to click on it and open up the games feature that goes with the book. This is just the basics of what Tumble Book Library offers. Have a look for yourself and let us know if your kids like it. Until next time, stay well and goodbye.